Hello guys, today we're going to be learning crossovers. Today the video is going to be performed by Wymark and it is narrated again by me, Peter Round. Hope you enjoy. As you can see, a good way to warm up is to do lemons. We're going to slow it down in a second so you can take a look. This will play an important part in not only getting comfortable on your edges, but later on you're going to be doing this on one foot to get used to the motion of one foot coming out to the side and over. But we'll build up to that in a second. For now, get comfortable performing the lemons and make sure you use all the rink and do it both ways. As you can see, he's going back the other way, so ensure you do this just to get as comfortable as you can. As you can see, he's now using one leg to swing round. This keeps the momentum but also gets used to the feeling of one leg doing more work and coming out to the side, because inherently at some point the leg will end up further out. This gets you used to that feeling because it can be a little strange at first. Once you're used to this, try doing it the other way with the other leg. Remember, don't push your leg out too far as it's harder to get it in, but this will help keep up the momentum. Focus more on keeping the movement smooth and fluid than fast or using a lot of power to push wide. We're going for quality, not quantity. One notable thing is the faster you go, the more you'll need to lean, so don't go too fast at this stage. Now as you can see, Ben is lifting his leg and pushing it out to the side. This gets you used to the motion of lifting one leg off and gliding on the other. As you can see, he's still pushing with this leg, so it's still delivering the power that he'll need to move. Notice how he's comfortable in holding the glide. As you can see, we slowed it down. You should be able to hold the glide for a good amount of time. This will get you, once again, comfortable on your edges, which is vitally important when performing crossovers, to ensure that it's smooth and not jerky. What she know about rocking the wolf on your noggin? What she knowin' about wearing a fur fox skin? I'm digging. Now we're moving on to the lateral movement. As you can see, he steps one leg over the other to get used to the feeling of it coming over, because in a minute this will happen whilst moving forward. This just gets you used to the lateral movement. At the moment this is being demonstrated as if it was a right crossover, but you should try and do this motion with both right and left movements, because inherently you're going to have to be able to turn right and left. Now as you can see, with his arms out wide, he's bringing his feet over. The right one is coming over the left. This happens slowly to ensure that it is controlled. Remember, Ben is doing this at a decent pace as he's an experienced skater. However, you do not need to do it at this pace. Once again, it is about getting the motion of the leg coming over smooth. It is important that this is smooth and it's a clean transition. Ben's arms are outstretched to give him a bit more balance in case he falls. Now you're more comfortable with it, you can lower your arms and perhaps add in a swing with the shoulders to give you a little bit more speed or power in the corners. Now, once you're used to it, you can speed up as much or as little as you'd like. So notice how Ben's stepping a lot quicker, and perhaps if you feel like it, use some longer strides. Forward crossovers are an imperative skill to learn when skating. Before you learn these, you should always be comfortable with skating and gliding forwards. They're imperative to learn because they unlock so many doors with regards to skating. Without these, it is impossible to corner as quickly and to keep the power in the corners. Any sharp turn on ice will inherently cause a reduction of speed as the grip on the ice slows you down. These ensure that you keep maintaining that power in the corners and keep moving. And perhaps most importantly of all, they're a great drill for beginners to get them comfortable on their edges. So thank you for watching guys, we hope this has helped. This has been a tutorial on how to do crossovers, namely the forward crossover. We hope that you found this useful. If you did, please leave a like, comment on what you'd like to see next, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.